Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to import products with PagePilot. First, open the supplier or competitor website, such as AliExpress, and find the product you want to import. Open the product page and copy its URL from the address bar. Next, go to the PagePilot website and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are logged in, click on the option that says Create Product Page. Paste the product URL into the provided field. You will now see an option to generate product images. Keep in mind that this feature is only available on the paid plan. If you have access to it, you can enable it. Otherwise, continue to the next step. Now select the gender for the product. You can choose male, female, or unisex. After that, pick any template from the available list and click Create Product Page. Within a few seconds, your product page will be created automatically. You can edit the title, description, images, buttons, and any other details to match your brand and preferences. Once you are satisfied with the page, save your changes and publish the product directly to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.